guys, today I have received my FabFitFun, and for those who are not familiar, this is a lifestyle seasonal box, which is $49.99 if paid quarterly, but it's $45 if you pay annually. Now, when you pay every season or quarterly, you choose 4 of the products, but when you buy annually, the whole box is customizable, and you do receive between 6 to 8 products in every box. So the magazine shows some of the products, a little description, no prices, maybe a few recipes, exclusive orders for members, and that such as that. Now I purchased an add-on, which is the Grown Alchemist body cream, because it was 3 of them, which are normally, I believe, $24 a piece. So it was a total of $13.78. So it's a body cream with mandarin rosemary leaf, and it's a bioactive ingredients to nourish, moisture, and soothe dry skin and visibly restore elasticity. So I thought that was a good deal on those, and so those are not part of my items in my box. Then of course there's these flyers, you know, whether it be HelloFresh or you get a discount on this, wine, what have you, but that's what all this is right here. And then my first item. So that would be these slippers, and it looks like the company is Splendid. And the slippers retail for $48. They're really, really soft. I love the color pink. I love the way that they're open toe. You know, you can wear them all year round. And then they have a nice footing on them. So I think these are going to last a long time. So really happy with those. Okay, so the next is the company is Strobe. It's a cosmetic organizer case with 9 slots. This does retail $30, and it says you can beautifully display in one place. It's a compact design. It's durable acrylic, resembles glass, home or professional use, easy to clean. And yeah, it has the smaller slots for lipsticks, you know, things that'll stand like that. And then it has another area that's a little bit larger, you can see there, and it has the daisy floral print on the bottom. So yeah, that is something that I could definitely use, so happy to have this one. Okay, so the next one is a spoon rest, and it looks like it's made by the company Favor. It says each ceramic spoon rest is hand dipped, making this one as unique as the other. It's dishwasher safe. Wash thoroughly before use. Look at the size of that. That is fantastic. I definitely needed a new spoon rest, so never know I'd be so excited about a spoon rest, right? It's really, really big, so this is great. Happy with that. And it does retail $30. Okay, so the next one is a blush. Company is Hourglass. Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush. And it's incandescent Electra, if I can pronounce the word even. So yeah, I'm excited to get this one. Look at how pretty the colors are. It's like a marble. So, yeah, happy with that one. And that one retails $43. And I guess it says Hourglass on it, so I guess that is the company. All right, so the next is the exercise. So this is by the company Select Studios, and it's an ultimate core toning kit, which includes the core reformer and the ab ball, which has an inflation straw. This does retail $50, and it says it will target and tone, build and strengthen, increase flexibility, burn calories, and I guess you have the 2 different ends here that you can like step your feet into one end and your hands into the other and pull, and then you can, you know, use the ball, you know, as an exercise ball. So I better get on that one. Seriously, though, that was a really good deal. This whole box was $45 for me, and that right there in itself is $50, so excited to try it. All right, so for the grand finale, we have the L Space Cooler. So this is a insulated tote. It has a zip-top closure and outer pockets, and the handle is actually, I think, like 11 inches. So the whole tote is 16 by 13 by 6 inches diameter. So it's really big. Look at the size of that. It is really, really nice. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. It does retail $100. It is 100% polyester canvas, and then the inner thermal layer is the polyethylene foam. So I'm thrilled. I'm really excited about this. Now, if this is something that you like, I looked online And there are people actually selling this right now for $30, and that's a steal. This is really big, and this is really, really nice. To tote for the summer, it's great. So I'm excited. I'm really excited with my products that I received this time. Okay, so to recap, the exercise equipment is $50. Then the slippers are $48. And the cooler tote is $100. Then the blush is $43. And we have a makeup organizer next, which is $30. And then the last one is the spoon for $30 as well. So it's a whopping total of $301 for the 45. And I'm actually pretty happy with the product. So what do you think? Do you think this was a good box, lousy box, so-so? Let me know in your comments below, and I will see you in my next video.